Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and today I'm unboxing the IPSY Glam Bag inspired by Betty Boop. They give you this little pouch every time to put all your things in and sparkles on the back. How cute is that? But it's Sunday and it is well with my soul, and I saw this video with that song at church today and I'm gonna download it and put it down below along with everything else. So let's get started. Number one thing, they usually give you 5 things. Number one is Beau Gachis concealer brush. Okay, this is fantastic. How cute is that? Really nice. So probably for under the eyes and whatever. Concealer brush, all the little nooks and crannies, the hard places. This would be a perfect brush to put all that on. So number one, love that. Number two, Betty Boop. It comes in this little box like this, and it's a, it says, "That's so pretty, that's so Betty eyeshadow and flip your lid." So let's see, the color here is, ooh, it's kind of a dark, almost purple shade. Okay, I would probably, which I got this pen, brush out, I would probably use this as an underliner under my eyes like this. You know what I mean? Eyeliner, because it's really dark. But let's try it. Let me see if I can grab this. This one, okay. Or I would use it in the corners to like exaggerate the corners and make it more of a, like a nighttime look like that. Okay, yeah. So good try there, like that. Yes, please. Then moving along, number 3, It Cosmetics CC Cream SPF 50. This is like ride or die. If you do not have this or know about this, this is amazing. It's, okay, this is like concealer, but a little bit, well, actually, I'm gonna read to you what it says. It says, combines problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology, healthy, buildable CC cream with SPF, but evens out your complexion, helps calm the redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, yes please, and vitamins. Tip, this cream is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. So that's why I don't actually love this that much, but watch this. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and this is what it looks like, comes in a tube. And then I'm gonna use that brush that came in here. I'm gonna take a little bit of it, and let me tell you what, my allergies have been horrible lately because of all the grass cutting and whatnot. But look at the difference. So this, see how thick it is? It's thick, but look at the difference in my eyes when I put it on. Like, yes, please, thank you. Can you tell that? Look at that. Hello. Totally gets rid of the dark circles under your eyes. So this is like works 100%. Yes, please. If you need one item from Sephora or Ulta, I would definitely get this. So, and that's the thing. IPSY is it's a subscription, and it comes once a month, and it's $10. So, but if you don't want to get the whole subscription, just get one of these products. So I love, look at it. Hello, I look more fresh, more awake. Love it so much. It CC cream, love it. Okay, moving on. Number 4, Seraphine Botanicals. This is a, oh, look how pretty this little box is with all the little flowers on it. Can you see that? I don't know what's going on. Anyways, really cute. And it's a primer. It says here it's a tired looking skin. Give it a boost of luminance with this glow inducing primer. As soon as you smooth it on, this stuff boosts dull, sallow complexions. Leave you looking wide awake. Yes, please. And radiant. Tip, dot primer all over your face with your fingers or beauty sponge. Wear it over or under foundation. Okay, so since you can wear it over your foundation, I'm gonna put it on right now. So, and a luminizing primer means it's a little shiny, like it gives you a little, look, a little bit shiny. Oh yeah, yes, I can totally see that. It's like a little, it gives you a little shine. Not in a bad way, but just more like glow. That'd be a better word to use, like a glow, like a glow. I like to use it under my foundation, but you can use it under or over. Oh yeah, I totally get that. Yes, okay, love it. Pull it in my neck, yeah, okay. There you go, a luminizing primer. And then finally, they have Panda eye brightening mask. So these are your eye brightening mask. I wonder if it's, okay, it might be, oh, okay, wait, I gotta open this. This is hilarious. Except for, I don't know if it's, wait, hold on, let's check this out. Okay, they give you two. Oh, they give you two. Okay, yeah, hello. So I'm gonna show you, I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna use it right now, but it's in the shape of a little panda bear. So how cute is that? And you put it, boom, on your face. It's like for, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove the mask. When used in the daytime, apply sun protection after use. So the thing about these masks, I don't know if people read the instructions or not, but after you put it on for 15 or 20 minutes, you do not wash it off. You leave it on, you just rub it in and go about your day. So don't wash your masks off. And let's see, I think that's it. Those are the 5 items. So go out, get yourself an IPSY. Oh, okay, these IPSY bags, like I said, subscription once a month, but they make great gifts. So this would make a great Christmas gift for someone. Just get them a 1-year subscription. So anyways, I love IPSY, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you guys have a blessed Sunday. Love y'all. Bye.